In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the cast marble puzzle by Hanayama. This is a level 5 out of 6 puzzle. You can see right over here on the box. So let's unbox it and take a look at what you get inside. So firstly, we have our difficulty chart, which comes with all these Hanayama puzzles, and it also has the range of different puzzles available. We also have the cast marble instructions, and of course the puzzle itself. So you can see over here, this is how the puzzle comes in its assembled form, and we also have the disassembled form over here, which is what we're going to try and get to. The puzzle itself is relatively heavy, with this gunmetal sort of finish around the outside, and then you've got the silver ball in the middle. It has sort of a laser engraving here, which is marble, and then the Hanayama logo also, which you should hopefully just be able to see there. So we're going to try and solve this and see how we get on. Okay, so let's start the clock. Okay, so first initial thoughts are, is it anything like the cast square puzzle, which I solved in a previous video? That came apart because it had little rods which held in the 4 pieces, and when you turned it 90 degrees and pulled, it opened up the rods and the whole thing came apart. So that'll be one of the first things I check in a minute. It's actually smaller than the cast square puzzle, and if you want to see me solve that, you can go back to one of our previous videos and have a look. But let's have a little feel. Initially, the ball has a lot of movement. It's very loose in there and turns all the way around. And these pieces are relatively loose as well. Straight away, that just twisted around then almost itself. Let's try that. Oh, okay, that was interesting. Right, so that there. Okay, I don't know how I just did that. But, so let's try the whole 90-degree thing. When I turn the ball, okay, so I can pull that and there's a gap, and now when I turn the ball it starts to open. Okay, now we've got this almost like this this X shape that it's created. It's loosened right over here. Okay, but other than that there doesn't seem to be much more movement. Okay, so that now locks it back in place, so it's definitely to do with the ball and a twist of some description. There you go, we're back to that position now. Okay, something's happening to the ball there. You see here, as I'm twisting, the ball is actually starting to have a gap right down the centre. Now I'm not. Let's do the spin. Means nothing. I need to find out how to get that. Oh, something happened there. Oh, something's happened here. Something's locked. It's locked here somehow. Okay, something's definitely happened. It's definitely coming apart, but I'm just not. What did I do there? So I think I lined up the line that goes around here with the natural sort of cut of the square, but it's not working now. I seem to be in a worse position than what I was. I've completely lost the puzzle now. Okay, I seem to have oh, there we go. Okay, great. Whew. Okay, that was tough. All right, let's try that again. So let's line this piece up here. Okay, let's. Is that there? Does that look like that is supposed to be there? Maybe it's the other way around. Let's have a little look. Nope. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to line this line up with the line of the square. I'm just trying to find the right sort of bit that fits perfectly. That looks right, okay. Oh, here we go. Yes! There we go. So that is the cast marble puzzle by Hanayama solved. Let's have a look at the clock. Okay, so we did that in just under 15 minutes. I actually really enjoyed that puzzle. So if you'd like to buy this puzzle, you can buy it via Amazon. The links are in the description below. And if you'd like to see how to put it back together and reset your puzzle, there will be another video for you to watch also. As always, hope you've enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again for the reset.